Fact Family. Most comprehensive software for manufacturing data management. Fact Measure. Improving quality control data utilization by database. Sharing current product status for short time action. Deep analysis for long time production control. Fact Log. Record production process for traceable data and troubleshooting track. Visualize process to find uneconomical flow. Fact Cal. User-friendly calibration management system with scheduling and notification. Securing traceability of measuring and inspection equipments. Fact Inventory. Inventory centralized data for closely monitoring and control. Minimize logistics handling time by digitalization. Visualize inventory status to find uneconomical things. Fact Doc. Systematic data library to prevent data loss and always available to use. ICKY. Giving shape to your dreams.